Morning, dears. Next lesson in geometry, we have area of the plane figures. Here, we have to read about area. Perimeter also will be reading. But first of all, you should know what is difference between area and perimeter. Area is a particular region or particular surface, you can say, which is covered by the figure. Or perimeter is the area of all the side, the length of all the sides of that particular figure. The fencing, the boundary is a perimeter, and the area is a particular region covered by that particular figure. Now, before we start the chapter, we have to learn certain formulae about the plane figures. We have certain qualities with the certain figures as rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Square, all the four sides are equal. So they have special property. Because of that, they have given special name. So they have special formulae also to find their area. So first of all, we are going to read about area. The number one is rectangle. Area of rectangle is, all of you know, that is length into breadth. This is the main formula we have. So from this main formula we can find length of rectangle also, that is area divided by breadth. Breadth of rectangle, that is area divided by length. This has come from this. This is the inverse of this. Is it? From this main formula we have got two inverse. Now we have the second formula, that is diagonal of rectangle is equal to under root L square plus B square. This is the formula for diagonal. Is it? Next we have square. Area of square is, all of you know, that is side whole square or side into side. From this it has come side of square under root area, and the diagonal of square is root a root 2, or you can write root 2 into side is a diagonal of a square. Next we have parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is base and the corresponding height. This example I will be telling you with the figure. This example you see, this is a parallelogram. This side is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. So if we have given this side, so base will be AB, is it? And if we have given this side, so base will be BC. If it is DF and DE, area of parallelogram is base into height. Now you will say, ma'am, what is base, what is height? If we take AB, then height will be DF. This is base and this is height. Or if we take base BC, then height will be DE. This will be the height and this will be the base. This is for the parallelogram, is it? Now we have, this is number 3, parallelogram. Next we have rhombus. This is done. Number 4 we have rhombus. Area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. Just example, if this is a rhombus, as we know all the four sides are equal, so this is diagonal 1 and this is diagonal 2, or you can write it half into product of its diagonals. This is the area of rhombus. Next we have triangles. For triangle we have different types of areas with a different situation for different categories. What is that? If you have given base and height, the area will be half into base into height. If you have given three sides, then the area will be something else. Triangles. We have quite many formulas for the triangle. First is area half into base into height, if base and height is given. Second is if three sides are given of triangle is given, then area is under root s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is a semi-perimeter. How to find? These are three sides a, b, c by 2. We get s is equal to a, b, c by 2. Just example, if you have, this is a triangle A, down of in front of vertex A, side is represented by A. In front of vertex B, the side is represented by B. And in front of vertex C, the side is represented by small c. Clear? Now S is a semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. So semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus A, semi-perimeter minus B into semi-perimeter minus C. This is when we have three sides of triangles given. Okay? This is called, this formula is called Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Okay, if they have asked use Heron's formula and find the area, then you have to use this formula. Okay. Third, we have area for isosceles triangle. This is done, I think so. Third, we have area of isosceles triangle. What does it mean? Isosceles triangle means this, any two sides of triangle is equal, is it? Maybe the equal sides are A and this is B. Let the equal sides are A and unequal side is B. So the area is 1 by 4 into unequal side into under root 4 into equal side square minus unequal side square. This is the formula for this, where 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, B is the unequal side, 4 is 4, A square is the equal side square minus B is unequal side square. This is the area for isosceles triangle. Now if we have equilateral triangle, area is root 3 by 4 into side square. As we know, equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal, where root 3's value is 1.732. The value of root 3 is this. Okay? And if it is right angle triangle, half into base into height we have to use. Okay? Now next we have circle. This is done. Today only the formula I am writing. Next day we will be solving the exercises and all. But you should learn formula before we start exercise, is it? Now you can see what is that area of circle. Next we have this plane figure, that is circle. So area of circle is area of the circle. These are the only formulae related to area. I have not written a single formula related to its perimeter. Today you learn only about the area. Pi askar, where pi's value is 22/7 and pi is equal to 3.14 if mentioned, if in the question it is mentioned you use pi is equal to 3.14, then we use, otherwise we do not use. We use the pi's value 22/7. Okay. Now diameter is equal to 2 into radius and radius is equal to diameter by 2. This is for the circle. If it would be for area of semicircle, that is pi r square by 2. Okay, this many formulae you have to learn. Once you learn all the formulae and all the values, then only you can solve this exercise which is given followed. Okay, so you have to write this all the formula in your geometry copy and you have to learn it. Then we will be starting exercise from chapter 18. If you have any queries regarding the formulae, you can ask me in comment box. If not, it's well and good. Learn this all formulae. Thank you.